My name's Tom Smith and I work for Balmoral Industrial Tanks. I'm the Export Sales Director. We've been manufacturing epoxy coated steel tanks since 1996 for the anaerobic digestion, wastewater treatment markets and potable water storage markets as well. The products that we manufacture are an epoxy coated steel tank, which can be used on the anaerobic digester, and also the post digester or any other liquid storage tank requirements on an AD site. As I said, our first digester was installed in 1996, and we've probably done over 100 installations over the past 20 years. I think the benefits of working with a company like ourselves is that not only do we manufacture the product, we also install the product as well. So you have an end-to-end service right from design all the way through to testing and commissioning, which on projects which can go from, well, I don't know, a few €100,000 up to a few million euros, it's very important that your liabilities rest with one company. So you know if something does go wrong, then you know where to come to fix the problem. Last year the group turned over 140 million and 30 million pounds of that was in tanks, and we operate on a global basis either through agents or indeed we go direct to market with large contractors, particularly in France, South Africa. We're installing a very big project in Hong Kong at the moment. Sometimes clients will choose not to go with a full installation service. They will also utilise one of our supervisors, where we will train your staff to install our tank, which is a bolted steel tank. The panels are 2.4 metres by 1.2 metres, and they are bolted together on site to form a cylindrical circular liquid storage tank. During the design phase, we will ask client questions such as what's the temperature, what's the pressure of the tank, the mixer load, so we can incorporate that into the steel design. And then we will select the steel, punch the steel, treat the steel, and then we will apply epoxy powder electrostatically to the steel substrate. We will then thermoset that powder onto the steel and test it, very importantly, for pinholes, adhesion and also thickness prior to dispatch. So we can actually guarantee that the tanks are defect free prior to dispatch. On installation, we'll also test the tanks to make sure that there's no damage being done to the surface of the coating during the installation process. So you can be assured that the tank will last up to in excess of 20, 25, 30 years under normal operating conditions. Because we're so confident in the coating itself, we will also provide a 10-year warranty, a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, which is very important because the warranty lies with not just the designer, we are also the manufacturer and also the installer. It's a big point to consider that on a project of this scale.